In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional LinkedIn company page from scratch. Open LinkedIn and in the top right corner, click For Business. From the menu, select Create a Company Page. You'll now see a few options. Click on Company. Now it's time to add the basic details for your page. First, enter your page name. Type your brand name exactly as you want it to appear. LinkedIn will automatically create a unique link for your page, but you can customize it if you want. Next, add your website. If you have one, paste the link here. If not, no problem. You can skip this step. Then choose your industry. Pick the category that best matches your business so people can find you more easily. After that, select your organization size. Next, choose your organization type, whichever fits better. Now upload your company logo. Make sure it's clear, square, and easy to recognize. Finally, add a short, catchy tagline that tells people exactly what your business is about. Once you've reviewed everything, tick the checkbox, click Create Page, and you're done. Your LinkedIn company page is live and ready for action. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more tutorials like this.